Hey guys, here is my remote control MALP, completely my own design. I didn't get any hints or tips from anyone. I'm sure there's other people's versions out there way better than mine, but this is just my first version. I'll probably be making a couple dozen more soon, but I thought I'd just let you guys see this one. Here, outside, oops, completely independent, and if it wasn't on the carpet, I could show you do donuts, but also the batteries in this thing are dying, so it can't really do anything, even if I wanted to show you, but yeah, if the batteries in this thing were full, I'd be doing donuts on the carpet, but it does best on tile, and the batteries are dying anyway, so we couldn't even show you that. But, yep, and yeah, it likes breaking a lot. I haven't had a whole lot of time to work on it lately, so just don't blame me if it sucks, and it's already breaking, so yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching, and this is iCamera Quadruple 9, or, like my other LEGO Stargate channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, comment, and like this video. Thank you.